Okay, welcome back to another video on making a token. Not making an NFT, but a token. If you remember the last video, the NFT contained structs, the NFT module, whereas a token would not contain any of that. A token would be used for, say, in-game currency, things of that nature. Now, before we get started, as you can see, I have already made a token. Yesterday, I was making a video. I was going through the motions to actually have this token get created. I created the token where you'll see STKN right here, simple token. When we open, this is the new one that I was going to try out. When I open this one up, however, yesterday I was getting a few Docker errors, and I'm not sure. Let me go through some of these real quick. It was saying something about I couldn't mint anymore. So I thought that I don't know. I didn't know what was going on, to be honest with you. So let me just open up this one. You'll see, well, not indivisible token cannot have decimals. That was fine. I fixed that one. Uh, maybe it was the 24 hours ago. Mint supply failed at mint tokens. I was getting this a lot after I've already minted. So in my eyes, I was thinking that the mint didn't work. Because once I minted, all I would see was one token right here. That's all I would see is one token. However, there's multiple, there's more than one token. There's a million, which is what I had set up right here on the simple token, 1 million. Then I set 2 for decimals. But just in case that didn't work, we're going to start over again, right? So let me go ahead and reintroduce these tokens. So whenever we're making a token, we're going to need the same type of properties as we needed when it came to an NFT. We wouldn't need as much though. So for an example, we'll still need the name property, the symbol property. You'll add on a few such as is divisible, just in case. You don't need is divisible though, but if you want decimal places such as 0.50 cent or 0.50 of a token or half of a token, you will add on is divisible. Is divisible is not necessary. Um, Other thing will be is fungible. Is this a fungible token for things that are not NFT? All of these would be true. Is finite. This is up to you. Is finite is up to you. If you put is finite as false, then you want this to be zero, which means that you're going to have an infinite supply of that token. Is capped. I've been trying is capped out to see what the difference is, but between is capped, is finite, and max supply all mixed in together. I'm not sure too much about what is capped is because this could still be false and you won't be able to print any more tokens on the max supply. So I'm not too sure about is capped, but I left it or I put it as true for this video or for this token. It's transferable. You want this always to be true because if you are having a token, you want this token to transfer to another party, to someone else. Okay, now let's get into more of the nitty gritty. Remember to always put your constructor on here to keep it simple. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of minting, right? So when you first create a token, you'll have this constructor pop up, or not constructor, but the constructor in itself. When you deploy this token, it will create the token. So you will see. I'll go to the Phantasma site so you can see where I'm getting to with this logic. Go here. Let's go ahead to tools and SDK, smart contracts. Let's go to Tune, right? Um, Features, no libraries. Go to libraries and go. Let's go to this token library. So in this token library, you'll see token.create. You do not need to do token.create for for this. Once you call this contract and create this contract, the token already gets token.create on the Phantasma hub. It already deploys token.create. Um, Now you will see token transfer. This is what you'll need most of the time. Token transfer. You want to burn the token, token burn, etc., etc. Um, Now that we have that done, you do not want to initially mint anything in the constructor. That's not going to be possible. And I can show you that real quick. I will put in this token.mint. you are unable to put a token dot mint in your constructor. Let's just say amount is like 500. You're going to get an error with that. So you have to create a function that would, if you want an initial mint, well, it don't matter. You could just create a function that would just mint, and you could specify how much you want to mint each time, which is what this mint function right here does. But just for clarity's sakes, let me just show you this, that's not possible. Now, if it is possible, and I just told you that it's not possible, NSTKN, new simple token, right? Let's go back to the new simple token. There we go. Output PBM. Go back here. Output ABI. Connect to our wallet. Yes. Wallet is connected. Now let's deploy this token. We should get an error. Let's find out. All right. I want to see an error. If I don't get an error, I'm going to feel a little different. Yes, we got an error. Just what I was hoping that we'll get. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Feet don't fail me now. All right. Here we go. What is this error? Is not a valid minting address for this, right? So why is this not a valid minting address? As you can see, this is our wallet address. And this is our wallet, right? So why is this not a valid minting address for this? Well, technically, this contract isn't deployed yet. The constructor isn't finished, so the contract isn't deployed. So since the contract isn't deployed and you try to mint, you're minting on, how can I say, you're not minting on a deployed contract, or nobody owns this contract. You're not minting on a deployed contract. You're just trying to mint. That's why you have to create your own separate function and say, okay, everything is set up. This contract is now deployed. Now let's mint on this said contract because I own this contract, or this wallet address own this contract, if that makes sense. Okay, now that we know that we are unable to mint within the constructor, let's go ahead and deploy this. Um, Oops, that's still going to give me an error because I did not recompile this. So let's reselect these, the correct things, real quick. Open deploy token. Yes. Error creating token. Now let's see what's going on. 8 seconds ago. What is this one? It's not okay. I see what the issue is. It's not this. It's not this. I don't know what it is with Phantasma Hub sometime, but as I said, let me just go here. Then let me go back up here to contract management. I'm not sure why it does this. All right. Now let me go ahead and select what I need to select. Here we go. Let's deploy this token. Now this should deploy. Sometimes things just get stuck in here. I'm not sure why. All right. Now let's get it started. See, I told you. I don't know. You will experience this. I don't know why this happens. I didn't build this. Tech built this. Could be something with, I don't know, cache, or it's stuck on a different page. I don't know. But at least we have the solution. Contract interaction, right? Let's go ahead and go to our NS new simple token. Let's mint, connect the wallet, and let's see how this works, right? I'm going to do 100. All right, send raw transaction. Yes. You should still be able to see all of the symbols, is capped, it get decimals, all of that should still be on there. All right, now that that burned correctly, the issue is the same thing. Sometimes you got to just refresh your wallet, exit it out. Unfortunately, I have to do this the long way. Actually, it's not really long. But desktop, let me go to my Plasma Poltergeist. Open this back up. All right, open this back up. We should see our 100 new simple token, right? Now, I'm not sure if I have the transfer function on here. But let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's transfer some tokens, right? Um, let's take our. I'm gonna do new simple token. Simple token still I could transfer this. I just commented this out to do testing yesterday, but I'm gonna transfer a new simple token. So let's do transfer. Transfer from. This is bad. I'm just gonna use this. Let me exit this real quick. Copy this one. Copy address. All right, copy from here to here. Go back, log back into this one. Um, actually, what am I doing? Let me try it through here. Let me go send. Confirm, and I'm gonna send 50. I'm gonna send 25 because I'm gonna send it both through here and I'm gonna send it through the other one. See how this works. Then 25 through here. You transfer 25 new simple tokens. So we have this gone. I'm gonna transfer 25 through here. Uh, I did switch a few times. All right, there we go. So just FYI, if you switch between wallets, make sure that you reconnect, disconnect and connect back again. You don't want an issue to where it's not connecting. So we have 50 now. All right, let's exit here. We should have 50 in node 1. We have 50 and we have 50. Hooray! Woo! Everything worked according to plan. So now that we have it, I will upload. I'm going to just upload simple token code. New simple token is the same thing as simple token. Um, I just needed new simple token to run some tests to make sure that what I was doing was incorrect. But this would be uploaded as new simple token on the GitHub. Any questions? Let me know. Put in the comments and I will answer, or hit me up on Twitter, Shaman Blackout on X. And yes, hope this has been helpful. You all have a blessed rest of the day.